Hello, everybody. This week we're going to take a look at normal distributions. The concept of a normal distribution is that it follows a bell-shaped curve. In the middle is your mean, your average, and then your standard deviations will determine the spread of that shape. There's the empirical rule that we saw before that talked about that's so much percentage should be between 1 or 2 or 3 standard deviations from the mean. This takes it further. We're studying probabilities and we're studying finding values. The idea on this is that if you can have some kind of pattern that follows a normal distribution, then you can do predictions. You can predict. You can find a probability that you're going to have between 1,000 and 1,200 customers in a week. You can predict what should your value be such that you only pay 5% of warranty items. A big example of this was Microsoft when they came out with the first Xbox. Did a poor job planning because they had no data to base it upon. And so they came up with a warranty period. And what they were finding is that the Xboxes were having a huge amount of failures after that initial warranty period was up. So Microsoft did not have to pay on those boxes. It's called a red ring of death. But they had so many of them happening that what they did is they extended out the warranty. So they did it to cover those. And there's a reason for that. They wanted to get into the video game market. And you don't get in the video game market by getting a huge amount of your customers upset. So they did that. They didn't have any information to base it upon. Now, if you look at Nintendo, Sony to a certain extent, they've been in the business quite a long time. They have a wide range of experience and history that they can draw upon. So when they do those predictions, they're doing it based upon like an average, standard deviation. They can look at those past results and see how long the machines usually last. And then they can say, okay, we're going to pay off on 5% of our warranty claims. And they're pretty accurate. So that just gives you an example of what we'll be taking a look at this week. At the end of this week, we'll be halfway through. So keep up the good work. And if you have any questions, don't forget, on Friday and Sunday nights, you'll find the link for it under the introductions. This week is an exception. I'm on Saturday at 5:18 because I'll be traveling on the 19th. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. If those times do not work for you, then again, let me know, and we'll plan a time. The college has approved an extra 10 hours a week tutoring, so use that to your advantage if you need that extra help. That's my goal. I want to see everybody succeed in this class. Well, take care and have a great week.